Hello guys, welcome to Taxable. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to create an Upstock account for free demat and trading account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, go to the video description and click on Upstock account opening link. Then you will be redirected on this page. Now enter your email address and mobile number. Make sure your Aadhaar is linked with your number. This will make the process super easy. Enter your email address and phone number, then click on send OTP. Input the OTP you have got on your phone and click on sign up. Now you have to enter your PAN details like PAN number, date of birth exactly written on PAN card, then click on next. Here you need to select your gender, marital status, annual income and more. I'm male, marital status single, annual income 1 lakh to 5 lakh. You can even select below 1 lakh. It's up to you. Trading experience less than 1 year. Politically exposed means are you involved in politics? No. What is your occupation? I am in a private sector, so I'm selecting it. You can select, if you're a student, you can select a student and anything you want. Here enter your father name same as written in your PAN card. Is your country residence other than India? Select no. Here is the tax paid declaration. Simply select I accept the above declaration and click on next. Now here you can set your trading preferences. Equity will be compulsory. I am also selecting futures and options and commodity. It's up to you. You can select or you can leave it. You can only go with equity and you can enable other things later. Now choose a leverage plan on equity cash. Simply select the basic plan. Basic plan is the best. If you have any coupon code for discount, enter here or simply click on next. Here Upstock offering you a free stock because you are coming through my link. Click on yes. Now you need to enter your bank account details. Simply enter your bank account holder name, your name on your bank, IFSC code. If you don't know, you can find your IFSC code in your bank passbook. Enter bank account number, then select account type. Mine is saving account, so I'm selecting it, then click on next. It's time to upload your documents. Put your signature on white paper, then click image and upload it. The image should be in JPG or PNG format and size should be less than 15 MB. Easy, right? You can do it. You can click on view sample also to know how to do it. Now leave the income proof option for now because it's optional. We can do it later. Upload your signature and click on next. Now connect your Upstock account with DigiLocker. DigiLocker is a service provided by government to upload and secure all of your documents online. Simply click on connect your DigiLocker with Upstock. Here enter your Aadhaar number and click on next. Now you will get a OTP on your mobile number connected with your Aadhaar. Input the OTP and click on continue. Upstock is asking for some permissions. Click on allow. You have connected your account with DigiLocker. Click on continue. Now it's saying let's take a photo of yours. Just click on take a picture, take a selfie and upload it. Also share your location by clicking on share location. Here Upstock will ask you to verify your email address. Click on get OTP, then copy the OTP code from your email, then enter here. Now you are getting free limited time account opening offer because you are coming through my link. Select free demat and trading account. Down below asking do you have your mobile number linked with your Aadhaar card? Click on yes, then click on continue. Congratulations, your limited plan offer are on their way. Click on continue. Lastly, let's sign in your application. Click on e-sign with Aadhaar OTP. Now e-sign your form using your Aadhaar number. Click on e-sign now. Now it will show the name on your Aadhaar card. Tick the box I have read the document. and click on submit. Now we are on the NSDL website. Enter your Aadhaar number, tick the box I hereby authorize and click on send OTP. Then enter the OTP from your phone and click on verify. Here you can download your signed document. Simply click on click here to download your signed document and proceed. So your application is submitted now. It will take 1 to 2 days for Upstox team to verify your application and open your account. After completing the verification process, you will get your login details and other information on your email. So guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel because the next video is on how to purchase your first share using Upstox. Till then, bye. I'll see you in the next one.